Now, after T-shirts, bags and card protests, the Congress party is planning another unique protest. The Congress MPs will be meeting at 10:15 a.m. today, and the Congress party is going to strategize for today's meeting, and a unique protest is expected outside the Parliament building today as well. My colleague Niyamika is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Niyamika, we've seen it all. We've seen the T-shirts, we've seen the jackets, we've seen the masks. We then saw the bags as well. What is the unique form of protest that the Congress party is planning today?
Well, today it will be decided in a meeting which is being called by the Congress party, as all the MPs of the Congress party are going to hold a meeting to prepare a strategy for today's Parliament session, and it will be followed by another unique round of protest by the Congress MPs, as we have seen that recently during the past days. We have seen that how the Congress party is continuously raising the matter to demand a discussion upon the Adani Group. We have seen that how they had brought in bags, masks, as well as jackets, in which they had made several allegations against Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Recently also the manner in which they are saying that how Modi, Adani, bhai. So that was basically a dig over Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as we have seen that the Congress party is firm on its stand that they want a discussion upon the Adani Group within the Parliament. However, the other India bloc parties are not really in support of Congress for repeatedly raising this concern, for repeatedly raising this demand, as they are saying that it is basically affecting the functioning of the House, as they also want to raise certain other matters which are related to their own state, and that is the only reason why, rather than holding a protest with the India bloc parties, the Congress party is now focused upon its own MPs, and this time it is going to be a Congress MPs protest which is going to take place within the Parliament premises, as they are quite clear about it that we want a discussion, we want an investigation regarding this entire issue, because the manner in which they are putting allegations against the government of India, they are saying that this is basically a nexus between the government and the Adani Group, and that is the only reason why the BJP is basically running away from holding any kind of discussion over this entire matter. But it is being made very clear on the part of the Congress party that we are not going to go down, and that is the reason why each and every day we see that how these protests erupted within the Parliament premises, and even inside the House also many of the Congress MPs will try to raise this matter within the House, so that they are going to demand that there should be a discussion which needs to be done regarding the bribery charges which are being leveled against the Adani Group.
Okay, so is that an indication very clearly that today as well we're going to see disruptions in the Parliament? That's the question. Niyamika, stay with us. The Congress